Replacing the key fob battery in your 2019-2023 Nissan Altima is a simple DIY task. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a CR2032 battery costing around $3 to $5. First, ensure your car is off and the keys are away from the ignition for safety. Locate the small seam on the key fob where it opens. Gently insert your pry tool along the seam and pop the case open. Slide out the metal emergency key blade if it's present in your fob. Carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery, noting which side faces up, usually marked with a plus sign. Insert the new battery with the correct orientation to match the markings. Snap the case back together and replace the metal key blade. Test the fob by locking or unlocking your car from 10 to 20 feet away. If it doesn't work, reprogram by holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds while near the car. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery and reprogramming, ensure the battery is correctly oriented. Avoid using metal tools during the process to prevent damage. Water damage can also cause issues, so ensure the fob is properly sealed upon reassembly, especially in humid climates. Automotive experts and Nissan technicians recommend DIY battery replacement for its simplicity and cost savings. Statistics show most drivers handle this maintenance themselves, saving an average of $60 compared to professional service. Be aware that Nissan dealerships may charge $50 to $100 for a service you can easily do yourself for a few dollars. Looking ahead, key fobs might become obsolete by 2030. Replaced by digital alternatives like smartphone apps and biometric access, as seen in Nissan's newer EV models. While some competitors are exploring battery-free key fobs, the CR2032 battery remains the standard for your Altima, offering 1 to 2 years of life under normal use.